Out here, in the deep reaches of space, far beyond the sun's warmth, you might expect to find only frozen, lifeless worlds. But amidst the icy silence of the Jovian system, there is a moon that defies every law of logic. This is Io, the most volcanically active body in our entire solar system. Recent NASA missions have uncovered bizarre structures that look like alien monoliths, but are actually the product of a colossal battle between titanic gravitational forces. Welcome to a journey to the edge of hell, where fire meets the absolute zero of the void. The surface of Io is a realm of extreme contrasts. Here, rivers of molten sulfur flow, and temperature can swing from hundreds of degrees above zero to the bone-chilling cold of the shadows. We are looking at Defies, a gargantuan volcanic complex where lava curtains soar miles into the sky. These aren't just eruptions. They are the heartbeat of a world being torn apart by Jupiter's gravity. Every movement here is accompanied by a seismic roar that vibrates through the very crust of the moon. One of the most enigmatic locations is Loki Patera, a gargantuan lava lake larger than the state of Maryland. It isn't just a volcano, it's an entire sea of molten rock hidden beneath a thin, fractured crust. But the most incredible phenomenon happens in the heavens. Io acts as a massive electrical generator. Moving through Jupiter's intense magnetic field, it generates a current of millions of amperes, tethering itself to the giant planet with invisible ribbons of plasma. This energy flow creates brilliant auroral hotspots on Jupiter itself, which scientists call the Io footprint. When the Juno probe swept just 900 miles above the surface, scientists were stunned. Amidst the volcanic chaos, they discovered the Spires of Io, colossal mountains with near-vertical slopes that look like the abandoned monoliths of an ancient civilization. But the physics here is even stranger. Due to the low gravity and unique crustal composition, these mountains can reach heights twice that of Mount Everest without collapsing under their own weight. This is a landscape that challenges our very understanding of planetary geology. Io is the only world in the solar system whose maps must be redrawn every few years. Compare the images from the Galileo probe 30 years ago with Juno's new data. Where there were once flat plains, new volcanic craters now gape, and rivers of molten silicate stretch across the landscape. These lava flows extend for hundreds of miles, resembling glowing veins on the moon's surface. NASA discovered that Io's entire surface is completely repaved in just a few thousand years, an incredibly short period by cosmic standards. Beneath this frozen crust lies something even more chilling, a global magma ocean. By analyzing magnetic data, NASA scientists have concluded that a layer of molten rock, tens of miles thick, sits just below Io's surface. But there is another side to this story. Gargantuan lava tubes. These hollow caves, left behind by ancient eruptions, could be so vast that entire cities could fit inside them. In these depths, shielded from Jupiter's lethal radiation, the most extreme forms of life imaginable could theoretically exist. As we gaze upon these findings, a terrifying reality emerges. Io is a world in eternal torment, a dynamic hellscape forged by celestial mechanics. Every fissure, every spire, every river of lava is a testament to the colossal gravity of Jupiter, Ganymede, and Europa, locking Io in a dance of destruction and rebirth. It is a place too hostile for human presence, yet essential for our understanding of the universe. For here on this pizza moon, NASA hasn't just found volcanoes, it found the raw, pulsing heart of a living celestial body. A stark reminder that the cosmos is not a cold, static graveyard, but a vibrant, albeit dangerous theater of continuous creation. Our journey to the most active world in the solar system is coming to a close, but the mysteries hidden within Io will continue to challenge scientists for decades to come. Every new image from NASA is another piece of the puzzle in understanding how worlds are born and how they fade away. Thank you for exploring the Deep Time Atlas with us today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Jovian system, hit that subscribe button and join our mission to map the wonders of the cosmos. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think life could exist within those protected subsurface caves, shielded from the lethal radiation above? Or is Io simply a beautiful, yet lifeless hell? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. Until next time, keep looking up.